So the hot topic today is translation. And oh my goodness, I wonder why it does that. It's like super sensitive. Oh my goodness, it's gonna bug me. It should bug everybody. Whee! Oh, okay. Interesting. So apparently on the pen, if you start a movement but don't finish it, apparently the thing trips out and thinks you should start writing. All right. So in translation, basically, you're taking a geometric figure or anything basically, and you're moving it certain units a certain way, right? So I move this one unit. So move it 1 unit, and then boom, it's new. It would have moved right here, dot 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 here, and now instead of being there, it's here. Mathematically, real quick. So let's say you've got your your ghetto looking axis here. Sure, we got 0, 0, and like let's say we got another one of those little squares, right? So just pretend. So we got 1 up and 1 here, and there's a 0, 0 here. So if we were to quickly just draw that outline and zoom in, we got 0, 0 is our points, right? And here's a 0, 1. Here's a 1, 1, and here is a 1, 0. Now mathematically, if it says translate 1 unit right, all you do is you just come down, right, and you add 1 unit to the right. Which way is right? Are we gonna use the x's or the y's to go right? And we should all know by now, at least in algebra, that we're gonna use x's to go left and right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add because we're going right, and 1 to the x's, all of them. And then we're gonna add 1, add 1, add 1, add 1, add 1, add 1, add 1. And then so you would translate your square, and the new coordinate is, look, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 0, and 1, 0. And so that's how you would. So, okay, hold on. So your first example here is how you would translate it just using your eyeballs. Just move it over 1 because that just makes sense in our brains. And then the second way is just, if they say translate 1 unit right, just come to the thing here and add 1 to your x's because we're going to go left and right, and add because we're going to go right. Because remember, right is always positive, left is always negative.